It's always a good day when you start your morning with one of these. You got the ovens, you got the this dial. I'm missing this dial. If anyone has a spare dial or can 3D print one, let me know. But it's cool because it's got an oven and a toaster built in. And got the oven down here. You can see the heating coils wiring up down there. But you can switch that knob if I could. I just use a plier to switch it. And you can put it under there for, I don't know, bagels and whatnot. It says it's not a broiler. Don't use it as a broiler. But this is a beautiful, beautiful atomic age looking toaster. And it's cool because it's got a horizontal layout there. When I first saw this thing, it was very cloudy, very beat up, which is why I got it for so cheap. But literally just one coat of polish, and it looks good as new. It's all chromed. Very unusual looking toaster. Don't really know what model it is. We'll have to find anything out. These go for a lot more on eBay, and I'm not going to pay that much. So maybe someday I'll find another dial, but for now I just use pliers. So let's wait till that pops up. I can have a delicious, delicious breakfast. Each day I try it. At first it was too light, then it was still kind of light. Today it might be burnt. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the controls. Also, you have to wiggle it sometimes to keep it up. I'm going to have to probably lubricate it at some point, but don't know how to do that just yet. Here's the oven toasting chart. Ooh. You gotta do this sometimes, otherwise it gets caught. There. See, that is a perfect waffle if I ever saw one. Man, that's really nicely toasted. There it is.